Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 3 of Process Management and Systems Thinking. I'm Professor Neil Armstrong, and I'm just trying to wait for the stuff to get back on the screen up here for us for week 3. Okay, let me go back to this. Hope everybody's had a great week so far and really enjoying the class. It's really been a pleasure to be your professor so far. Let me go ahead and get into week 3 right here. And these are the PowerPoints we want to have for week 3. In week 3, we're looking at chapters 1, 2, and 7 of the Collier textbook. And PowerPoints really help us to see kind of different things in the textbook and kind of help point out the main points of the articles. And here's an article on there as well to tie religion into this, which is how Jesus' teachings were influenced by his work. So this talks about the application of faith and values within Jesus' ministry. We also have a video for you to watch, a couple videos for you to watch on this. So we have the first one, which talks about operations management and why it's essential to the success of a business. Then the second one's about organizational performance measures and how it helps people to understand some of the models of organizational performance. In week 3, we have a discussion board post, which we have every week. And I look forward to looking at your responses on this. And you can definitely read that, and we can definitely go through that if we need to. But same kind of rubric as we normally have on there. And that's going to be the major assignment for this week. Let me double check the syllabus to see if there's anything else we need to really talk about. Let's see. So in week 3, we have the reading assignment, which you have, the videos, and then just those discussion board posts. So you want to post your initial post by Wednesday of the week, and your responses by Sunday at midnight. So that's kind of what we're talking about this week and what we're going over. So if you guys have any questions about anything or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. And I hope you have a great week. Thanks.